Okay, hello again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a quiz or a certain assignment or any content item available for only one student or a selected group of students. Okay, so sometimes a certain student miss a quiz or assignment because of internet connection issues. So in that case, you need to make the quiz available only for her. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all, you need to go to the course. Then after that, go to the content item. For example, in this case, it's an assignment. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, so item is hidden from students. Okay, so I want it to be available for only one student. So click here and then click on adaptive release. Then after that, for example, you want it to be available for this group of students till, let's say, tomorrow or after 1 hour or whatever. And then you have to choose the student from here, from username, click on browse. And then from here, you need to make sure that the last option is selected, not blank, and then go. Not a blank, go. Okay, so here are the students. So you have to select the student that you want the quiz available for her, for example this one, and then click on submit. Okay, so here is her university ID. After that, you have to go with the rest of the option and then click on submit. So the item has a date. That date will narrow the ability to user to see these items. Recommended action is to remove the date on the item and use date criteria only. Click OK to continue. Okay, thank you. We're going to do this. Okay. The next step is that you are going to make sure that you make it available. Okay. For example, tomorrow. Then click on submit. And then after that, you have to click here and then make it available. Okay, so now the students can see the item here. Okay, thanks so much.